logging on to channel6newsonline.com. I'm Ryan Thompson. Let's get you updated with a quick look at the headlines. The 9/11 Memorial and Plaza opened to the public at the World Trade Center site in New York City today. The new memorial includes 2 reflecting pools with 30-foot waterfalls that now stand in the footprints of the fallen Twin Towers, the same place where nearly 3,000 people were killed on September 11th, 10 years ago. And today, 7,000 members of the general public got the first chance to visit the site since it was closed to the public 10 years ago.
Just wanted to experience it.
You wanted to come?
Just to come and just experience what happened on 9/11, just be the first to see.
Republicans will once again face off this week in the Tea Party's first official debate on CNN. Channel 6 reporter Stephanie Spindle has more on what we can expect from the debate. Stephanie?
Thanks, Ryan. Stephanie Spindle here in Tampa, Florida, only hours before the CNN Tea Party debate, where Mitt Romney and Rick Perry will go head-to-head. Follow me on Twitter at Channel 6 Spindle, where I'll be keeping you posted throughout the night. For Channel 6 News, I'm Stephanie Spindle. Now back to you, Ryan.
Thanks, Stephanie. After bringing the 2 chambers of Congress together last Thursday, Obama continued his push to have Congress pass a bill that would lead to the creation of more American jobs today.
This is a bill that will put people back to work all across the country. This is the bill that will help our economy in a moment of national crisis. This is a bill that is based on ideas from both Democrats and Republicans, and this is the bill that Congress needs to pass.
Obama made his pitch in the Rose Garden hours before sending the legislation to Capitol Hill, where it received a polite but mixed reception from opposition GOP leaders. Serena Williams' sharp tongue put her on center stage Sunday when she lost her cool during a match. Williams went on to criticize the ref. This comes after Williams had cracked her racket after losing 12 consecutive points. And that does it for your Channel 6 News Up to the Minute. I'm Ryan Thompson. For more news, head on over to channel6newsonline.com. But for now, in the studio, I'm Ryan Thompson for Channel 6 News.